Does your washer fill on its own while the power's off and nothing's in it? And then does it continue to fill after you unplug it? How about when you turn the water off manually? Does it finally stop? Well, I'm Rabbit from Rabbit's Crisis Aversions, and I think I have the solution. This is my Samsung top load washer. The other day I came downstairs after everybody had left for school and work, and it was filling with water. It was about quarter of the way filled. So I unplugged it, turned the water off, and it stopped flowing. So I knew it was probably not an electrical issue. It was something manual. So I was able to take it apart, and this is the piece that I pulled out of there. If you notice right there, that solenoid's cracked. That's where the cold water goes in. That's where the hot water goes in. And yeah, so I've got the new part here. I ordered it off Amazon. Came in today, so I'm going to replace it and hopefully fix the problem. So this is a water inlet valve. And the way I figured that out is I used ChatGPT. Took a picture of my washer. I put it on ChatGPT. I asked what type of Samsung top-load washer it was. It gave me the model. And then I typed in there that what the problem was, that it was filling with water without being turned on. And basically, it was able to diagnose the problem for me. I'm not that smart, but I know how to use technology sometimes. So the ChatGPT told me that it was the water inlet valve and gave me a part number. So I got online on Amazon, I typed that part number in, ordered the part, and it looks the exact same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick little video, just a sped up video to show me putting it all back together, and then hopefully turning the washer on and not having water come out as soon as not turning the washer on, but putting the washer back together and hopefully not having water come back out or come out without being turned on. So I'm going to try to get a good video of me putting this all back together. Yeah, I'll try to enjoy. Alright, sorry for the pause in the video. I was trying to get these two hoses on with these clamps. They're a pain in the butt because these hoses aren't long, so they don't go in very easily. Now, I just got to get these three, I get these three spots in here to these little inlets here, and hopefully they go in smoothly. And then it's just a couple of electrical clips, a couple of screws, and it should be all back together. Okay, it's filling with water, so hopefully it's fixed.